guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Sanjana and thank you so much for watching. So in this video I'm gonna talk about the brand called Bellora, and this is the box. They have sent me some of their products, like they have sent me the lipstick and moisturizer and the kajal, and today we're gonna talk about on their particular product. If you are interested in this video, then do watch this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that little bell icon to get notified. So without much further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so I'm gonna apply some moisturizer on my skin, and moisturizing is very important before makeup, so don't skip that. Whatever you have, just apply before makeup. So let's apply. Next, I'm gonna apply Bellora Illuminating Moisturizer. So let me show you the packaging. The packaging is really beautiful. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is really looks luxurious. So I'm gonna apply on my face. So this is basically an illuminating moisturizer, and I never heard about illuminating moisturizer. So this is kind of unique for me, and it gives you that pearly shiny effect on your face. You can use every morning or you can mix with your foundation. It gives you that perfect dewy look. So I'm gonna apply on my face right now, and I love the smell. It has really beautiful floral smell in it, and I just can't wait to apply on my skin. So this is the texture of the cream. It has lightweight formula. So the cream is very lightweight and absorbs very fast, and it has real nano gold. This is lightweight illuminating moisturizer, nourishes the skin and improves its firmness and elasticity. It also helps to accelerate blood circulation and delays the aging process. It contains AHA fruit extract to brighten up the skin and reduce the pigmentation. So all the products are dermatologically tested, free from paraben, talc, sulfates, mineral oil and SLS. Product is vegan and cruelty free. So what not, guys? You can definitely go for this product. This is really amazing. So did you see the glow it gives? This is everything. So this is kind of strobing cream. I'm really impressed with this product, and I just love this smell, as it gives your skin very smooth base, so you don't need to apply any primer. So I'm gonna apply my foundation over it. So let's apply. And I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender. I think beauty blender is the best way to achieve that beautiful flawless foundation. So I'm always use this beauty blender for my foundation. After applying foundation, you can see the glowiness is still visible, which is really amazing. You can see the glow over here. I love it. I'm gonna apply a little bit on my cheeks and a little bit on my nose, and I love to apply a little bit of blush on my nose. So yeah, so let's move on to the eyebrows. So I already done my brows off camera, so now I'm gonna set my eyebrows with my mascara wand. So if you don't have any eyebrow setter, then just use your mascara. So this is really helpful. My eyebrows are set. Now move on to the eye makeup. So I'm gonna use my Bellora kajal for that. So let's do it. This is how the outer packaging looks like. So let me open it for you, and let's see inside. So this is their Identify 24/7 Intense Kajal. This is how the packaging looks like. This is pinkish kind of white packaging, and this is the color. Look at this pigmentation. So I'm already done with my other eye, so let's do on this eyes. And the kajal has carnauba wax, which creates gel gliding with high color payoff to draw the perfect line. It has oil and vitamins which nourishes your eyes. It's smudge proof, transfer proof and waterproof, and lightweight formula that glides gently on the waterline and eyelids. So very good for who loves kajal. And this kajal made with goodness of oils and vitamins and without toxins such as parabens. It doesn't irritate sensitive eyes. If you have watery eyes, then this kajal is best for you. So my lashes are on, so I'm gonna apply some mascara. But last but not the least is lipstick, and without lipstick every makeup is incomplete. So let's apply. So today I'm gonna use my Bellora liquid matte lipstick. So this is their Leave No Evidence liquid lipstick. This is how the outer packaging looks like. So beautiful, so classy. This is in this shade Dragon's Pink. So let me show you the pigmentation. This is one stroke pigmentation, and like, see, the pigmentation is awesome. So let's just apply. I can't wait to wear it on my lips. So the lipstick is very long lasting liquid lipstick, intensely pigmented and lasts up to 12 hours, and rich with nourishing ingredients like oils, butter and vitamins and whatnot. So it doesn't feel dry. It's very lightweight lipstick, and look at this beautiful gorgeous fuchsia color. And if you are a lipstick lover, then you can definitely buy this lipstick. This is just awesome. Look at this color payoff. You just need one dip and that is enough for your lipstick. So this is how the lipstick looks like. I just loving it. So guys, I love this lipstick so much. It doesn't feel dry because it has nourishing ingredients like oils, butters and vitamins. So that's why it doesn't feel dry, and it is kiss proof, waterproof, and I love the application. And I love this wand. It is like this type of wand. I never seen such kind of lipstick applicator. It is really easy to use, and it glides so smooth on your lips. So I just love this lipstick, and I really recommend you to guys try this lipsticks. Lots of color variant, you can check on their website. So yeah, this is my full look. Do let me know, do you like this makeup or not? And yeah, I just love their product. If you like this product, you can definitely purchase one of their product, and I bet you will never regret. So yeah guys, this is my honest review about this product, and I feel very good, and thank you so much for sending this across. And I definitely gonna buy some of their other product in future. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to leave your comment down below. And you can use my code which is given in the description box, and you will get your discount. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, then do subscribe, hit that notification bell to get notified. So yeah guys, I love you guys so much, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.